I gotta be honest with you guys. For the last 3 years, I've been struggling to steam my milk the right way. When steaming your milk, we want to focus on positioning the steam wand the right way. You'll start off with submerging the tip at the middle of the pitcher and tilting to the left or the right, closer to the walls of the pitcher, whatever is convenient, and then we turn on the steam wand. From there, we allow the suction of air and milk to combine, and we can drop the pitcher down just a little bit, but you don't want to move your pitcher up and down too much because it'll break down what you're trying to achieve. Ideally, 155 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit is what temperature your milk should be at, but if you're doing it by hand, warm to the touch so you don't overcook it. The main thing to focus on, again, is positioning. You don't want to submerge the tip of your steam wand because you want to create a vortex. As you can see with this picture, I create a lot of bubbles, but as I pulled down, I was able to knock those bubbles out to create this velvety texture that I've been aiming for. There are still a little amount of bubbles towards the end of this clip. Now, knocking it on the table and doing a little spin before pouring will help give you that texture that you want. And I can't stress enough, please steam your wand so you don't steam old milk into what you're drinking. Let me just give you a little bit of insight on why I've had such a hard time steaming milk. The Bravo machine, the espresso machine that I have, the Bambino Plus, has an automatic setting, which basically reads the temperature, and if you put your pitcher in a certain way, you're gonna froth the milk. And I was so consumed about this idea of making latte art, but I was skipping the fundamentals of steaming milk. And every once in a while it was a hit or miss and I'd get it, and I'd get real cocky. But I really was not focusing on learning how to steam milk. So back in November of last year, I bought a new machine. Now this machine, the Rocket, it's more hands-on. It's a manual espresso machine, so you have to steam the milk properly. I mean, you get hot milk if you just want hot milk, but if you're trying to do latte art, which in those 3 years, my latte art has never been good. But recently, I want to say through watching YouTube videos, I kind of have a understanding of steaming milk. Don't skip the fundamentals of learning how to steam milk, because you can't make the latte art without having the proper texture of your milk. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you guys. I appreciate the support and the new follows. Just working on some stuff, but until next time, cheers.